Module 2 Overview. Active Directory Domain Services, ADDS, can help you manage your network more effectively. For instance, you can use it to manage user and computer accounts in groups instead of managing one account at a time. It also provides ways to group objects together in containers called organizational units, OUs, and to delegate administrative tasks to help you distribute workload efficiently. Managing device identities is becoming increasingly complex as more employees bring their own devices into the workplace. As Bring Your Own Device (BYOD) programs expand, you will be managing device identities for many types of personal devices and the various operating systems that they run. ADDS has many features that can make this easier. This module describes how to use both graphical tools and Windows PowerShell to manage user and computer accounts and groups. It covers how to manage an enterprise network by performing bulk operations to modify object attributes. Objectives. After completing this module, students will be able to manage user accounts in ADDS, manage groups in ADDS, manage computer objects in ADDS, use Windows PowerShell for ADDS administration, implement and manage OUs. Administer AD DS. Lesson 1 Overview. A user object in ADDS is far more than just properties related to the user's security identity or account. It is the cornerstone of identity and access in ADDS. Therefore, consistent, efficient, and secure processes regarding the administration of user accounts are integral to enterprise security management. In this lesson, you will learn about managing users' accounts, which is more complex than just creating and deleting them. User accounts have attributes that you can use for purposes, such as storing additional user contact information or application-specific information for Active Directory, aware applications. Additionally, there are user-specific files and settings that are not stored in ADDS but in the user profile. Lastly, you will learn about using user templates to help you create user accounts more easily. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to create user accounts, configure user account attributes, manage user accounts, create user profiles, manage inactive and disabled user accounts, explain user account templates, use user account templates to manage accounts.